How to automate Google AdWords for better results. Are you looking to enhance the performance of your Google AdWords campaigns with automation? In this video, we'll explore how to streamline your AdWords processes and achieve superior results with automation techniques. First, get familiar with Google Ads' built-in automation features. Tools like Smart Bidding use machine learning to optimize bids in real time, maximizing the potential of each auction. This helps ensure you're hitting your desired conversion goals or maximizing your return on ad spend efficiently. Next, consider utilizing automated rules. These can save you precious time by adjusting bids, budgets, or enabling and pausing ads based on criteria you set. For example, you might pause low-performing ads automatically after a specified number of impressions or clicks. Then, leverage responsive search ads to improve ad performance. With these, you can input multiple headlines and descriptions. Google then tests different combinations to serve the best performing versions, helping you automatically determine what resonates most with your audience. Don't forget about script automation. This can assist in more advanced tasks like identifying anomalies in performance, managing budgets, or conducting complex calculations outside of the standard capabilities. Remember to monitor your campaigns regularly, even when leveraging automation, to ensure everything runs smoothly and aligns with your business goals. Automated processes can significantly enhance campaign performance, but human oversight is essential to make adjustments and strategize effectively. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about enhancing your digital marketing efforts, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.